Colorful counting 1 to 10. Get ready to count. Count how many objects you see. Then raise your hand when you know the answer. We will go over the answer together. Welcome back to my channel, Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe. How many stars? Answer: 1 star. How many trees? Answer: 2 trees. How many flowers? Answer: 3 flowers. How many fish? Answer: 4 fish. How many cats? Answer: 5 cats. How many apples? Answer: 6 apples. How many carrots? Answer: 7 carrots. How many ducks? Answer: 8 ducks. How many boats? Answer: 9 boats. How many hearts? Answer: 10 hearts. How many elephants? Answer: 10 elephants. Great job counting. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.